Hi guys, I'm Haley Morales, and today I'm going to be showing you my room, and this has taken me quite a while. All of y'all know that like you've been seeing it and you've been requesting it, and I finally finished it today. So I'm going to show y'all it, and I'm about to move, so it's never ever gonna look this pretty probably because we made everything like for this room specifically, which is a dining room. And I have an old room tour, and this is like really updated and new, and you can't even tell it's the same room, honestly. Yeah, I'm really excited, and my lashes are so big they're casting a shadow, but it's whatever. First we have these doors, and they open, and then when you walk in here, the first thing is my vanity. So this is my vanity-ish thingy that we made. I got this from IKEA for like $190, and I got this chair from Target. So on my vanity right here is just my sponges, my brushes, and then some jewelry. And then I have a mirror from IKEA, and it turns on and off, and it's just like a ring light, and you can get really close on your face and stuff. And right here is a plant. These are fake. They're just succulents that I got from IKEA and at home. And over here is this wooden little box I found, and I just put my glasses in it, and I kind of have a lot of them so they don't really fit, and I just put these little thingies that I got from like Michael's over here. And then back over there is a little plant, and they're all fake. So then when you open my little dresser, I'll start right here. So I have my iPad, which I never use, and I don't know when the last time I used it was, but I need to charge that. I have my makeup bags over here. This one I got from Tarte for free. I have mail, I don't have all of it, this is just one from Didi. She's one of my friends. She also is a subscriber. And then I have my old retainer case, just some random crap. This is another makeup bag from my cousin. I have my face story boxes, and they just basically send me face masks. For example, there's like all of these, and they just send me them every month so I can post about them and stuff and try them out, and they're really, really cool. And then they sent me one right here. I've already used most of them. Also, you can use my code Haley20 for like 20% off all that stuff. And I still have this much more to use because I forget to do face masks. And then I have a little Sudoku book in there and another makeup bag. Then over here I keep my brush in here, portable charger, scrunchies. I keep my graphing calculator in here, some cords to connect my camera to the laptop. I have like all these blind boxes I've opened, like the Tokidoki stuff. And then over here is like my face, skin, and hair products. So this is what I use just all the time to make it wet and curly. And then I have some perfume, hand sanitizer, lip products. This is the best lotion ever for your face. It makes anything moist. I don't care if you like that word or not. I have this lotion that I got from the Ariana Grande meet and greet package, and so I never use it. And then I have this lotion, which is her other perfume that I got in a little set. Over here is just my mousses and like sprays for my hair as well. So Herbal Essence, I love this one. My friend recommended it to me because this is what she uses for her hair. It's really good. I have Not Your Mother's Beach Babe, and I have the Coconut Curls Dreamy Mousse, which I love. On the top, this is just glass, and then up here I have my mirror that I found on the side of the street, and then I got these light bulbs from a company. I mentioned them in my makeup collection, so if you want to get them, they're over there. They're on Amazon. Up here I have a photo of my dog. His name is Beamer. I have my 100K YouTube play button thing award. I have some candles that were from IKEA, and that plant from IKEA. I have my signed Ariana Grande postcard, and this is the other side, and I adore that. And I have a signed thingy that I got from the meet and greet package. I have all my books right here, and just this 15 minutes little jar thing that I got. Then I just have a trash can in there, and I got it for like a couple dollars from Target. I have a clock right here. It is currently not the right time, but it's just green, and it matches my room because my room is like cabiny-ish. Then I have my makeup, and I'm not gonna go into detail. That's that drawer, and then I have like that. I have a makeup collection. I've only changed like a little bit of stuff. Still don't have that much. Well, I do have a lot, but not much like compared to like freaking Carly Bible. Then I have this candle that I got from Kroger, and it's just Drenched Shore. I've never lit it, but it smells pretty good. I have these hair vitamins that I got from Bloom Hair, and they sent me these, so I have them, and they're really cute. I have some painkillers over here because I'm always needing these. I have some like melatonin and sleep aid and stuff like that because sometimes your girl can't sleep. Then I have all my Ariana Grande perfumes, and I have 4. So I have the Ari by Ariana Grande. I have 2 Sweet Light candies. This one's bigger, I think. Yeah, and then this one's smaller. And then I have a Moonlight by Ariana Grande. And they all have these little fluffy things. Then I have all my palettes. So I put the Morphe ones here, the Anastasia ones here, but Subculture couldn't fit, so it goes over there. A Juvia's Place, Huda Beauty, Naked palettes. I have 2 of those right here. My ColourPop palettes, and then the Lime Crime, and then the Tarte Mermaid one. And then I just have a plant over there. This is like my favorite part of the room. So over there is my laundry bin. I have a huge bear that my best friend Ashlyn gave me. And then I have my hammock, and I got this little animal from Kroger. And it used to be a lot higher, but it like made me sick every time I sat in it, so I have it lower. And you can like put your feet all the way out here in it, but I don't want to do that right now. But this is my little animal. I don't know what his name is, but name him below. Then up here I have my piece of wood with pictures on it. I got the piece of wood from Michael's. It's kind of hard to show you because this hammock is in the way, but I have a photo of me and my best friend, 2 pictures of Ariana Grande, my cats, me and my best friend, and Mama won't let me say it on Instagram, edited that. I have a photo of my cats drinking milk, photo of me carrying my cat. I have a photo of my cat over there, Ariana Grande, another picture of us, another picture of my cat. And then back here I have a tree that I got from IKEA. And also my ceilings are freaking huge because this is a dining room. So it's small, but it has a huge ceiling. Then over here I have a little basket, and it has a little cat bed from IKEA that I got for my cats to lay in by the window, but they never really do, but it's still there. And then behind here I have my MacBook charger, and I keep a dream catcher on it that my friend Krista bought me, and I just keep it hidden back there so it doesn't look ugly. Next is like my favorite part of the room. It's the pieces of wood that my mom made like from scratch, and then we got the curtains from IKEA, but we just put them on there. Up here are plants, and these are from like At Home and IKEA and stuff like that. And that one over there we made, and then the rest we did not. And over here we made that one too. It just has rope wrapped around it, and it has lights up there, but they only work in the dark. Then it's like my bed over here. So we have this big fur carpet that my mom cut because it used to be a square. It's like, I'm pretty sure it's fake. It's super soft, and it got peed on, so we had to wash it, but it's whatever. And this is my glorious bed. The comforter is from Target, and it's like down. It has some down in it and some down alternative in it. And then right here is a blanket from Walgreens. It was like $10, and that just goes over here. And I have my MacBook and my Beats always on my bed because that is all I do. I only watch Netflix, and I only edit and watch YouTube. So then over here is my mass of pillows. I've been collecting these for a long time. And pillows are expensive, they're like 20 bucks a piece, but I have 2 really soft pillows, and then I have 2 My Pillows, which are freaking expensive, but I cannot sleep without them. Like, my neck will hurt. I have this really fluffy blanket. Not blanket. It's like, I don't know. It's really cute. A green pillow. This is the softest pillow ever. Another green pillow, kind of a tannish one, a brown one, cream, and then over there is a cat bed, and my cats love to lay on that. It's literally their favorite thing to do. And then right here is a backboard that my mom made for me, and it literally took forever. And then we put some green lights over here, and then some brown like balls over here, and we put them together, and that's just like above my bed, and they turn on but only in the night. And then these up here we made, but the frames are from IKEA. I just hung those up, and they're supposed to be uneven like that, by the way. After my bed is this little sitting area, which was the best idea I've ever come up with. So it has another tiny rug under it. This one's from IKEA, and that one is from At Home. And I have this fluffy chair, and it's not like fluffy, but it's so soft. And I have this blanket again from Walgreens. But basically the chair is like this, It has like a big pillow attached, and then it has like a pillow on the bottom, and then I put this pillow on it because it goes with the theme of my room, which is a cabin. And my cat is obsessed with this area. And then right here is just an ottoman that I got from at home, and it matches my room perfectly. And so I'll just sit on here a couple times a week and edit videos or do whatever. It's really comfy and I love it. Now getting closer, I have a plant from at home over here, and then this little table also from at home, and then this lamp that I got from Goodwill, and then this lamp top I got from IKEA. And the light makes this area look so cute, and my phone is always either on my bed or over here. So this is like a just cute little area. And then looking up, we have a huge piece of a branch, and then like a little greenery on the side right there, and a huge curtain, because that big area is like a huge doorway, but there's no door, so we covered it up with that. And that's the little greenery on each side. I got it from at home and they were super cheap. Then over here I have this little shelf just to make my wall space filled up, but we got that from Michael's. And then we got that little pig, it was so cute, from Kroger. I got another grass up there, some candles from Target, and then this little H I made out of those little green thingies. I just hot glued them and then put it up, and that's where it stays. And then I have this huge mirror, which is an upgrade from my tiny little skinny mirror that I used to have. It's from IKEA. It was like 60 bucks, which is super cheap, but I always like to look at myself in the mirror over here, and I love it so much. And then right here is my dresser. It's 4 compartments. It's from IKEA. On top of it, we have this little like dining section, and you can like put lemonade or whatever you want in here. One time me and my friend put root beer, and then, oh, there's dust on it. Okay. And then we have 2 little cocktail glasses, a candle, and just some succulents that I got from Target. We have some napkins there too. And then up here, we have a piece of wood, which were extras from that. We also like dyed that wood, but we hung some like fake grass from it, and it is so cute. It looks like a rich like eating place where you just eat. I don't know, I love it. So in my first drawer is just like, you know, personal items or whatever. And then down here I have all my pants, night clothes or whatever. Down here I have all my hats and jackets, and I have some straws that my friend gave me that I use all the time. I don't know why they're in there, but they are. And then down here is just miscellaneous items. So I have 2 mini my pillows. I have some art supplies, books, and some makeup items that I need to like know where I got them from, like my favorite eyelashes, which are the Eyelord in 109s. And then I have some YouTube journals. This is like how much I spend and stuff. I have some headphones. This one is just a notebook, and then this one is my main YouTube notebook. I have another one, I don't know where it is though. I like to decorate this one with stickers. I used to keep count of my subs. So look, well, the first page is YouTube, so this is my YouTube notebook. But the subs, oh my gosh, I used to like change it like all the time. I got 1,000 August 23rd, 2017, and then the last time I checked in was 30,000 November 11th. This one was a followers on IG page, and sorry this is in the way. I got this many these times, and I had 3.3k, and now I freaking have 120,000, which is absolutely insane. And then I like to make lists of like things I want so that it keeps me motivated, and I literally have all this stuff, which makes me so happy. So yeah, I need to keep up with this notebook. I have another one that I've been using instead. That's why this one isn't like filled up anymore. Oh, my favorite part of the freaking room is this chandelier that my mom made. It is gorgeous. It's made of actual sticks. Yeah, it took her a long time, and it's really good. It like completes the room. And then lastly, I have this jar of coins, and I've been collecting them. I'm trying to fill it up. But yeah, this is just my room. I love it so much. And if you enjoyed my room in this video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up down below. Follow my socials down in the description down below. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Away. Yeah, I'm already gone. Just